I'm Julie and welcome to Julie Weir Art. This week I'm going to show you how I painted a fox in watercolours. The full step-by-step tutorial is now in my online watercolour school, but if you'd like to have a go at painting this fox for free, then go over to my website www.julieweirart.co.uk and click Take a Free Class. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and if you click the bell icon, YouTube will notify you every time I have a new video released. Happy painting!